Hello, this is Connie. Welcome to How to Play Chopin's Prelude in A, Opus 28, number 7. Today we are going to learn the fourth phrase. We've learned 1, 2, 3. Here we are on this fourth phrase. It's marked by this slur across the top. That's a phrase mark. It also means to connect these notes very legato and smooth. And you can see the pedaling is just for this one phrase. Okay. Let's switch over to the piano and get started. Here we are. Okay, here's where we left off with the last phrase. I'll play the last phrase. So here's our hands. Okay, we'll start with the left hand. What we do, we're on E and B. This left hand has a big jump. It goes not to this A, but to the next A down. You can barely see it in my camera. Then we have a big full chord in the right ear, in these upper two voices here. Down low to A. Now we have E octaves and an A in the middle. For me, the 2 finger is the most comfortable in the middle. You can play the 3, but I don't like that. I feel a little bit of a pull, so I use my 2 right there. So A. Okay, got that? That's the left hand. Now, back where we left off, the thumb had been holding. Remember that we added in these notes? Well, the thumb gets to play this note again, but the 3rd finger comes to G sharp. Thumb plays this again, and this G sharp switches from our 3 to our 4. Kind of tricky. Okay, now this is like that crossover. Only very rare. If you ever, I wouldn't just cross over. You can't hold on. But the 3rd finger is going to come up and play the C natural. What that means is you can't cross it like this. You have to lift up and move your hand to the new position. Thumb is going to go down to this C sharp. So here's what we have. Okay. 3, change to 4, change to 3 and 1. Now the thumb holds for a minute while we play this C sharp. Then we're going to play this octave 2 more times. Thumb plays it again, but we switch to 4th up here, and then switch back to the pinky. And for me, in my small hand, I kind of rock my hand back and back, so it's not a strain. But I want to switch those notes on the top melody, or switch fingers, so the note can be played really deep and clear every time. Okay, here's the right hand. Okay, and then the pedal is the same as before. This is the chord of this phrase. It's an A chord. This G sharp and D do not fit with it. Well, those are non-chord tones at the beginning, so we're not going to pedal them with the rest. We pedal them first. So pedal down, pedal up and down. So those 3 that are the same will be put together. So here's what it sounds like. Great. All right, that one's a little bit trickier, I think, so give that some good practice until it's very comfortable and memorize. And I'll catch you in the next video.